Dogs! They are coming down the slope. I better go. Well, everybody, one of the hazards of exploring on foot is that you might stumble on dogs. I don't mind them except that, well, they bite. But I suppose they are simply protecting their territory, and now that I have walked away, they are leaving me alone. Since I've done a few videos on Jalan Bukit Kukus, I thought I would complete the series by doing one on Lorong Bukit Kukus. This is a hill road in Payatrubong. It connects to one of the three disjointed segments of Jalan Bukit Kukus. I started from a dead end where the dogs were, and now I'm walking downhill towards the junction. On my right is the Bukit Saujana apartment block. This is a short walk. Let me show it to you on the map. So, we started our walk from the north and we are heading south on the J-shaped Lorong Bukit Kukus. We will pass two apartment blocks, Bukit Saujana and Grandview Heights, before we reach the junction of Jalan Bukit Kukus. The entire distance covered is only 350 meters. Lorong Bukit Kukus is carved out from the slope. You can see the sheer cliff on my left. It is a working class neighborhood created in the 80s. In front of me is the other apartment complex at Lorong Bukit Kukus. This is Grandview Heights. With this YouTube channel, I will take you to discover all the various places in Penang and perhaps even outside Penang. If you enjoy exploring without having to leave your armchair, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep you updated whenever I complete a new video. On this channel, I will be doing walks not only in popular places but also those that are not touristic, like this one where you get to see how real people live in Penang. I hope it will serve as an eye-opener to remember that Penang is not all beautiful touristic places. We are now passing in front of the entrance to Grandview Heights. This is a 20-story apartment. The units here have a built-up area of 700 square feet. Oh look, there's a monkey! A mother with baby. Kinda remind us that we are just next to the forest. In fact, I find this road to be rather amazing, just to see that it was carved right out of the hill. We just passed a sign warning of rock falls, which means it does occur. The road now curves towards the junction with Jalan Bukit Kukus a short distance away. The junction to Jalan Bukit Kukus has come into sight. It is an incomplete segment which hopefully will be linked one day to the segment that has the tallest viaduct in the country. We are reaching the end of Lorong Bukit Kukus, but there is no road sign in sight. I distinctly remember the road sign, but I can't see it now. Oh, I see the road sign now. It has fallen over and is lying on the ground like an accident victim. That's the unfortunate road sign for Lorong Bukit Kukus. The last time I was here, it was still standing. With the road sign coming to such a tragic end, our tour of Lorong Bukit Kukus also ends here. I want to thank you for joining me on this walk, and I look forward to meeting you again in my next video where we will explore another site or street. Until then, thank you for watching.